with the body, girl. I'm not playing. This is Spice. Wagwan.
Yep, what's going on, Unstoppable family? So firstly, may I say bless up to all the ladies out there. Today is International Women's Day. So happy International Women's Day to all of the ladies out there. So if you are a woman today, happy International Women's Day to you. And me have to confess, me never know that personally today me never know that today is Women's Day. So me have to say big up to my brethren, Chaddy Murray TV. He the one who make me know this morning say, yo, Unstoppable, today Women's Day, you know. So yeah, big up Chaddy Murray TV for telling me that. So people, due to the fact that today is International Women's Day, Spice, yes, the dancehall queen Spice wanted to do something for all her female fans. So what Spice did was Spice put out her personal number on her Instagram page and told her fans, yeah, what you can call me up today and me just all a reason we don't know. You understand? So people, Spice phone ring off for the hook till Spice all I said, John, my phone I got crashed. You see me? Because the phone was ring like crazy. Within like 60 seconds, Spice me receive like about 100 phone calls. You understand, people? But people, Spice get calls from all over the world from female fans and male fans as well. You know, once the man then get Spice number in a man, all kind of calls are going in, you know. Yes, so me as a people, Spice get calls from Trinidad, Spice get calls from Jamaica, Spice gets calls from all over the world. But enough of me talking, make me show you know what me I talk about right after the intro.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, and now we are
You good? Big up yourself, big up yourself. Thank you so much. I wanted to give back to the fans today, especially the women, since it's International Women's Day. So if you have anything where you want me post, if you want me promote no business for you, if you want me reach out, if you just want to talk, like if anything at all you want me to do or help with, just let me know. This is my number. I'm not joke. You can store the number and I'm also available on WhatsApp. Alright, big up yourself. I'm not married to them, love. Alright, love you. Alright, big up. Bye. Hello? Wagwan. Big up yourself.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, make sure if you click that subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. So as you could have seen from that little clip a while ago, people, Spice actually keep her word and answer the phone calls from all the fans, wherever in the world them are called from, whether male or females, as a give back from Spice to her fans for International Women's Day. You understand? As you could have heard, she said, if you want me promote your business, whatever you want me do, me I go do it for uno because me I give back to my fans for International Women's Day. You understand? Now people, Spice also did accepted some more calls, and yo, that one day was crazy because the phone just a ring off for the hook. Beep, 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 beep. While Spice step on one call, the phone a come in with another call, and yo, watch it for yourself and check it out.
Wanna love it, eh? Wanna love it? Hello? Hello? You think the number now work? What's up? The phone a blow off like crazy, but the number work. You think the number never did work, so yeah, test it. Alright, big up yourself. I'm dedicating myself to all my females today. It's International Women's Day, so may I try to give back to the women. Big up, alright. Big up. Yeah, the man them are calling about the woman them time today. The man them are call. Hello? Hi! No, I have to put up a speaker. The girl said I can't put up a speaker because somebody else a call. The girl said I'm frightened. Big up yourself, goodie. Big up yourself. Oh God, don't bother make me cry. I know the journey. Oh God, you said me I follow you from Portmore days. You know the journey from Britain, from old Britain. The struggle is real. But today I gave up my number because I wanted to give back to the females. I want to give back to the fans. If you have anything you want me to do, any promotion on Instagram, if you have no business, any shout out, anything, me I dedicate myself today to the women out there that has been supporting me. So big up yourself. The number on WhatsApp, store it. Everybody a call, so me I give everybody a chance. Good day, big up. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Hello? Wagwan!
Remember me telling us that the phone are gonna start hack up and start going crazy. Well, this is the moment. Spice just, yo, me don't know. The phone just start hack up like everybody start for call in that split second. Like that was the moment when everybody say, hold on there. A Spice number this, make me call her. Watch.
What's up, goodie? Jesus, the phone are deaf me, I never know. What's up? Here are. Yes, it's Spice on the phone. I'm giving myself back to the fans all day today, so we are going to talk all day today. You can store the number. The phone are deaf me. Hello? I love you. Oh, God. No, the phone are mad me. I gave up my number on Instagram. The phone I go off like crazy, but I really wanted to give back to the women out there. It's International Women's Day. Today it belongs to us. So yeah, I want to at least do something for the ladies out there. Hello? What's up? You're not a lady, but you still love me. And I love you too, baby. Oh, God. You're from Gambia. Big up yourself. Enough love and mad respect. As far as you call from, you have credit. You have a whole heap of credit. Alright, big up. Big up yourself. I'll call you back. I love you. So that belongs to the woman them. Jesus, the phone I got shut out. May I tell you? Hello? Hi, good day. I see you calling all the way from Trinidad. You're calling from Trinidad. My phone good. It tell me where you call from. I love you. Big up Destra. Big up Destra, the queen herself. But just get a call all the way from Trinidad. What's your name? I have to take off notification. I have to take off notification off of that phone.
I have to big up to Spice in a move there. After all, Spice always make some big moves, you know, despite all of the negatives where some people try to throw off on her. You understand? So for all of the women out the International Women's Day, once again, me are going to end it by saying, big up on yourself, happy International Women's Day. So people, this girl come out on social media the other day and glorify taking people man. Because she say, yo, when she take people man, she not no responsibility. At first, when I see the video, I said, sure. But then it look like the social media and the press these days glorify those kind of actions or attitudes from females, you understand? Because what I noticed recently is that she getting famous. She come out and say she take people man and now she getting famous, you understand? Me see she get interviews from the Star. Me see she get video ads where she do ad commercials for businesses now. And also she get talked about by Unstoppable TV. So she get famous. Anyway, see the little clip here where, boy, me I tell you, the generation gone to the butt.
Say don't know it's a girl MACKEREL official. I know some down at the Star. Tomorrow me I go day in at the Star. And me I say me want everybody check me out. Everything where I go on with me and everything you want to know about me. And you don't know say good come out and all these things. I'm not stop take people man because people man nice and comfortable. People man can't stop take. People man comfortable and nice. Me enjoy people man. Because at the end of the day, I don't have no responsibility when you take people man. You not wash, you not cook, you not clean. You just collect. People man nice. I don't stop take people man.
But anyway, people, Ugly Man see the video. Ugly Man decides, say, yo, I want that girl here, you know. So Ugly Man put out film video to try to get her attention.
I'm Ugly Man time. Listen, follow me on Instagram, ban yourself. Listen, I have a girl named MACKEREL. You understand? Be a girl that class and say she ugly and all this high class. Just because she says she kick people, man. Hey, but you what me I say, people, MACKEREL have shape. MACKEREL, slim and trim, have shape. Look beautiful. Me I tell you, people, MACKEREL she feet and you know, MACKEREL have protein in it. He have wallpaper woman on Instagram don't look good. Cause guess what? Fat and look swarty, cause chicken back them feed pan. Chicken back can't hold it fat. They can't afford chicken. Yo, Mackerel, me hug the man, you know. Me the ugliest man in the world. You see, me and if you link up, you know, woman not gonna do it tomorrow. She gonna work. Link up me, hug the man.
Yo, people, this social media thing, I tell you, it takes things to a whole different level. But as me said, to each his own, Mackerel I get some video promotions now. She get to run ads and commercials and all of these things. So check out Mackerel and make her money after she put out say, yo, she take people, man, and all them things.
Yes, today, I finally take somebody, man. But take him, but take over and I settle. Till the man engage to me. Right now, I want to call on a SK catering for them do wedding. Come here, tell them have the finest set of food. I'm here, tell them have the finest style. Right now, I want to call them at 873-3466. SK Catering Service by Stephen Harold.
People, these days, it's so easy for you to get famous on social media. I mean, I'll tell you. But I just hope our fame lasts. I hope she have other things to come with to keep her relevant. Because if you can remember the girl named Barbara, Skinny Barbara, you notice fear fame just gone. But anyway, viewers, watch the man. Comment in the comment section. I don't know the thing already. Touch me in the comment section. Tell me what you think about Spice move in support of International Women's Day. Also, drop in the comment section and talk to me about Goody as well. Where she just take people, man, because she not no obligations when she take people, man, and don't get a man of her own. So watch the man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. It's Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. Oh.
Right now you know we unstoppable.